This is the elevator here at Menards in Triadelphia, West Virginia. It's an Otis. Interesting. And it's here.
Going down.
And it talks. Let's go to 1. Get cat view. Just your basic Menards elevator.
First floor.
Here at 1.
Going up.
Let's go to M. Alright, here we go.
Main floor.
Here at M.
Going down.
We are going down to 1. Door closes, works.
Please stand clear of the closing door. First floor.
Here at 1. It's gonna end it here.
Going up.
Let's go back down.
Please stand clear of the closing door.
Let's hear the motor.
Main floor.
Here at M.
Going down.
Alright, let's watch it close. And that's it.